You ever wonder why the nice guy never wins? You treat her well, you're always there, you listen, you care, but somehow she ghosts you for a guy who treats her like an afterthought. And you start telling yourself, maybe if I'm just nicer, she'll finally see my worth. But deep down, you already know the truth. She doesn't respect you, and respect is the only real foundation for love. This video is going to break down the nice guy lie you've been trapped in and show you the brutal, honest path to becoming the man women crave, men respect, and you can be proud of. First thing you need to know, being nice is not the same as being good. Nice is weakness wrapped in a smile. Let that sink in. Nice guys do things hoping for something in return. If I always agree with her, she won't leave. If I'm always there, she'll eventually choose me. If I make her life easier, she'll love me. That's not love, that's performance-based approval seeking. And women can smell it from a mile away. But good men, they're kind from strength. They have boundaries, they have standards, they have backbones, they're dangerous and disciplined, and that's what creates attraction. You weren't rejected for being a good guy. You were rejected because you had no edge. Were your parents divorced? You learned to keep the peace. Grew up around chaos. You avoided conflict by being the good one. Mom was emotionally needy. You became her emotional partner way too young. You learned if I take care of everyone else, then I'll be loved. But now you're an adult still running a childhood program. You avoid confrontation, you hide your needs, you let disrespect slide just to keep the connection. And every time you do, you betray yourself. The real you, the one who says no, who takes up space, who sets tone, he's buried under decades of fake niceness. It's time to dig him out. Nice guys think they're safe, but guess what? Safe is boring. Look at any woman's journal when she's fallen for a guy. It never says, he was so agreeable and available, I just couldn't resist. It says, he challenged me, I couldn't figure him out, he had this grounded energy like nothing fazed him. Predictability kills desire. When you're always available, always soft, there's nothing to feel. She wants your conviction. Stop asking, how do I make her like me? And start asking, how do I respect myself enough to walk away when she doesn't? So let's kill the nice guy, step by step. Number 1, start saying no, not aggressively, just decisively. Every yes to avoid tension is a no to your integrity. Number 2, tell the truth, not what she wants to hear, but what she needs to hear. You're not her therapist, you're her mirror. Number 3, have purpose outside of women. When your mission comes first, your energy becomes magnetic. And number 4, be willing to walk away. Being willing to walk away is the ultimate test of your masculine self-worth. A man who can walk away never has to beg. And here's what happens when you finally stop being the nice guy. At first, people push back. She'll say you've changed. Friends will guilt you, family might resist, but eventually they'll respect you. And then you'll respect yourself. You'll stop feeling used, you'll stop feeling unseen, you'll stop silently resenting everything. You'll attract women who actually respond to your masculine presence. And most of all, you'll feel peace. Because you're finally living from your core, not your fear. She doesn't want another boy pretending to be a man. She wants a man who stopped pretending. I used to be the guy who always tried to prove he was worthy. I bent over backwards, I played it safe, I ended up being resentful, heartbroken, and alone. The day I stopped being nice and started being real, everything changed. I got lean, I got clear, I stopped chasing, and the irony, that's when women started chasing me. If this hit you in the chest, it's because the man you're meant to be is waking up. Drop a comment with no more Mr. Nice Guy if you're done playing small. Subscribe if you're ready to lead your life, command respect, and build something no woman can take from you. You're not here to be liked, you're here to be respected.